Hello guys, I hope you all are doing well. Um, Everyone say the market is random. I say they just don't have the script. Look at the time 9:20 a.m. BDT hours means early morning before the volatility hit. I warned my private members about a specific algorithmic protocol, search and destroy. While the retail traders were buying the support levels, I told my academy that the banks were preparing a trap. This isn't a recap, this is the anatomy of a predicted liquidation. We were operating in a pre NFP trap. The interbank price delivery algorithm IPDA was busy engineering liquidity. Notice the clean highs near 4,894. Retail traders see resistance. I see a pool of buy side liquidity that the algorithm must consume before it can expand lower. We waited for the liquidity sweep, the fake move that traps the breakout buyers and fuel the real institutional sell off. Once the buy stops were neutralized, the search and destroy protocol was activated. This is a high volatility algorithmic state designed to clear the board. We saw the market structure shift and enter it on the mitigation of the supply block. Notice the displacement. These wide range candles show institutional sponsorship. When the big money enters, the market doesn't retrace, it expands. We were hunting the internal sell side liquidity, leaving the trapped buyers with no exits. Precision without protection is just gambling. My instructions were absolute 1% max risk. In a search and destroy environment, the algorithm can be violent. We only execute when the setup manifests perfectly. If the algorithm doesn't give us the entry, we remain sidelined. This is why Disciplined Trade Academy survives when others are liquidated. Okay, finally, the result 360 plus pips book. We guided every step from entry to exit. I gave you the roadmap at 9 o'clock in the morning. The market paid us at 6 in the evening. The warning was public, the execution was institutional, the profit was undeniable, and finally, stop guessing what the market will do. Start operating with the blueprint. This is Discipline Trade Academy. I am Pritam Banerjee. I'll see you at the next setup. Bye bye, guys.